Hello guys, you got Fix It All Paul here from the Maintenance University. I'm actually just making this video because I'm having some issues with my garage door opener. It's a Chamberlin Whisper Quiet Whisper Drive 3/4 horse. It's got some weird things going on. Let me just show you what it's doing. So it'll come on down. And it stops right there. And then you go ahead and hit it again. And then it actually comes back up. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and fix the parameters. So this is what it looks like. You can actually see the model and serial number in there if you can see it. But in here, there's actually two buttons. Here, just a sec. I'll turn flip the phone around. Anyways, you see these. There's a purple one and a black button, and if you push the black button, you'll actually see the actual light start to flash. So the first thing you do is you're going to want to go ahead and set the up parameters on the garage door, and the top button is the up and the bottom button is down. But what you do is you hit that top button, it'll actually pull up. What I like to do is, see how you can just see the top of the door frame. That looks pretty good. So now what you got to do is you got to run over, and you see the button right there for the garage door. You got to hit that and run back and hit one of those two buttons to actually set that top parameter, and then I'll show you for setting the bottom parameter. So we're gonna hit this button. It's gonna start to move. We're gonna hit it, and so that actually stopped it. So what that did was it set it wherever in the track it was as the parameter we want. Now you have to go ahead and set the bottom parameter as well. So we're gonna hit that bottom button right here. And so I'll pan over here and show you what it does. It actually moves it down, and you can stop and you can go. So that's actually pretty good. Now if it looks like it's squishing the door into the ground, you can actually come up here and push the top button and move it up just to get it just right. But you know, that looks a little high, so I'll push the bottom button again, and there we go. And then from there, the two parameters should be programmed, which is cool, because what should happen if everything worked out okay, I should be able to hit this button and it should stop right on the rail where I programmed the top parameters. And then you should be able to hit it again and it should stop where you programmed the bottom parameters. So let's give it a try. Yep, looks like you can just see that top trim. So it's going to be as high as we can make it work. Now let's see what happens when we push the down button. Voila. Thank you for joining me, guys. Once again, this is Do It All Paul. If you like this content, feel free to leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe. I'm going to be bringing a whole lot more content just like this so that the do-it-yourselfer can do it yourself. 20 years in the construction industry, general contractor. I actually work in the hospital industries. And so I think there's a lot of little tips and tricks that I might be able to bring to the crowd. Anyways, hope you have a great one. Stay safe.